the springtime, blossoms fill the budding pear tree. White magnolia dot the grass green, and the robin sings her song. Past the garden gate, hills of Queen Anne's lace are dancing. Nature promenades romancing, and it bids us come along. When I close my eyes, I see where my heart so longs to be. Chelsea Road, far away I hear you gently call me. Deep within my heart there is a longing, so I'm heading back, I've got to go to Chelsea Road. My forever memories are found there, where my true love's waiting, so I'm bound there.